Right under the address bar, this is the Omni box, you'll find the Bookmarks bar. And if it's not showing up on your screen, you can go over to the snowman and slide down to Bookmarks and then make sure that this is checked, Show Bookmarks Bar. And so I have mine checked here. This is a great place to view your bookmarks. I have many bookmarks, and if I wanted to see them all, I can click these two arrows here, and that drops down and shows the rest of them. These ones are the ones I want to have quick access to, and so that's why they're there. I just want to make sure that people know there's some great shortcuts and ways that you can organize this so that you can maximize this piece of real estate. One thing, this is the district website. If I wanted to add that as a shortcut to my Bookmarks bar, I could do it really quickly by grabbing it and just dragging it down. You can see there's a cursor that's highlighted. If I slide it around, there's kind of that black line. I can decide where I want to put this in my lineup on my Bookmarks bar. So I'm just going to drop it right in there. You can see now it's a part of my bookmarks. When I click on this, you can see that this blue star is illuminated. That means it's on my list. If I was on a site that was not bookmarked, then it would be empty. It wouldn't have that color blue there. So that's just a way to look at that. And I want you to think about, what are the important places that you're going? What are the important sites? Do you need DCA? Do you need your walkthrough tool information? Do you need just certain Google Docs? There's certain ones that I bring down to the Bookmarks bar that I'm using. If I'm using them day to day, or if it's a project that I'm working on, it sort of ends up being an agenda of sorts as well. So it's just something to think about. The Bookmarks bar can be really valuable. If you want to move things around, you can simply grab it and drag it. I keep my Google Drive on the far left so I can find it whenever I need to. So one thing that I'll add to this video that also can be helpful is gaining space on this important real estate. So for example, I put in the Hillsborough School District site, and I have this whole title here, and it comes with this little image here. This is a favicon. That's what Google calls it, a favicon. And so if I want to, I can edit this bookmark by right-clicking on it and then going down to edit. And if I take away the title, I can name it whatever I want, but if I take it completely away and say save, now it just leaves the favicon. And you can see I just gained some valuable real estate. In fact, some of these that are over in this bookmarks down here will populate the bar as I remove things or shorten them. And so it's a great way for certain sites that you don't need a full explanation of, or that have a really recognizable icon that tells you what it's about. It's a great way to gain space on your Bookmarks bar. That's it for now.